It's a simple fact. Success leaves clues. Hey, 30-minute marketers. Remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And today's focus is on affiliate marketing with YouTube and taking a look at some of the people that are successful and the clues that they left behind, putting those pieces together to see exactly how you can make money using YouTube as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. A video simply titled the same as the video you're watching now, How to Make Money on YouTube with Affiliate Marketing from Video Influencers, 664,000 subscribers. Click here where it says show more. Scroll through this description, and as you get towards the end, you will see video gear, lighting, and links, and other stuff. Video gear used for this video, a camera, a microphone, lighting, and then check out this disclaimer. This video and description contains affiliate links, which means that if you click on one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission. Another video here from Pat Flynn and Smart Passive Income, how to start making passive income online from scratch. A beginner's guide. This video takes you through how Pat makes quote unquote passive income online, specifically in this case, referencing YouTube. And if you were to go over to smartpassiveincome.com, you can see here's how he did in 2009. This is the month that marked his first full year as an affiliate marketer, and he breaks down his income, his gross income, but focus in on this affiliate earnings, $4,957.78 from various products that he promoted throughout the year as he created helpful content for his audience. And then you move down to December 2017 and take a look at his gross income, but focus in here on affiliate earnings and how he breaks it down to specific products. Again, success leaves clues. Look at what he's doing and the products he's promoting, and then go back and take a look at his content and see where and how he promoted these products as an affiliate. Again, we're looking for clues from the success that you've seen from his strategy of creating helpful content. Now here you see me, Gary from publisherreport.com, my other YouTube channel. Again, we click on the show more button and you're going to see multiple affiliate links that go to products that I promote here on Publisher Report, doing these simple videos that show people how to do simple things in their publishing business. And of course, you see here, affiliate disclaimer. While we receive affiliate compensation for reviews, promotions on this page, we always offer honest opinion, relevant experiences, and genuine views related to the product or service itself. Our goal, that's my goal over at Publisher Report, just like my goal here at 30-Minute Marketing, is to help you make the best purchasing decisions. However, the views and opinions expressed are mine only. Here you can see some of my success when people click on those affiliate links over at Publisher Report. Today, $68.66. So what does this look like? What this looks like is you create content for your target audience. That's the people that have a problem, and you're creating content to help them solve that problem. They find your content on YouTube. They click on your affiliate link. Just like the affiliate links that we saw, the clues from the successful channels that are doing this and earning affiliate commissions online using YouTube, they click on those affiliate links, they land on a product sales page, and they click the buy now button, and you earn commissions. Fantastic. Now you have seen the success. You know exactly how to look for the clues. You even know how to put all those clues together and start using YouTube to start making money as an affiliate marketer. Once you decide exactly what problem you want to solve and who you want to solve that problem for, and you start creating that content here on YouTube. But if you need more information, link in the description and the pinned first comment, click that. It will take you over to a course that will walk you through this process step by step and get you there as quick as possible while keeping your focus on the task at hand, getting set up on YouTube, and start earning those commissions as an affiliate marketer. Link in the description. Click it, check it out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.